Before you start, please ensure you have the appropriate personal protective equipment, including a lab coat and latex gloves. Start by taping the end of an agarose gel mould using masking tape. Place the mould on a flat surface and put the comb into the gel mould. Weigh out the appropriate amount of agarose powder. If you are making a 2% agarose gel and require a final volume of 100 ml, weigh out 2 grams of agarose. Transfer the powder to a conical flask. Measure the appropriate amount of TAE buffer. In this example, we'll be adding 100 ml. Add this to the conical flask, ensuring that all of the agarose powder is washed into the bottom of the flask. The next step is to melt the agarose using a microwave. Place the conical flask in the microwave and set it to 30 seconds. Start the microwave. Ensure that you're wearing heat-proof gloves or other suitable safety equipment. At the end of 30 seconds, open the microwave and swirl the flask. This step needs to be repeated until the agarose is completely melted and no fragments, crystals, or powder remain. As the temperature of the agarose mixture increases, it becomes more likely to boil. Watch the flask in the microwave. If the mix starts to boil, stop the microwave, remove the flask, and swirl the solution to mix. In later stages, this may only take a few seconds. Be vigilant and watch your mixture carefully. Once the agarose is completely dissolved, remove the flask from the microwave and place on the bench. The mixture needs to cool to approximately 60 degrees before we add ethidium bromide, which allows the visualization of DNA under UV light. When the mixture has cooled to approximately 60 degrees, add 3 microliters of ethidium bromide solution. Caution: ethidium bromide is a teratogen and a carcinogen and needs to be handled with extreme care. Pour the agarose mix into the agarose gel mould. Use a pipette tip to remove any bubbles and allow the gel to set. This will take approximately 30 minutes.